Harbor Freight titanium, 125 amp, flux-core DC AC 120 volt welder. Just got it in the mail. We're going to take a look see. The little guy. Looks like it's pretty well put together. Comes with wire. So yeah, one of the things I've heard, you can literally hold on to the welder with one hand and touch the end with the other hand. So you don't have a really long whip, but it's light enough you can take it with you. At this point in time, I should probably read the directions because I don't have the first clue. I know that wire goes in here, it runs through here, it comes out down there, and there's electricity involved. A 2-pound spool, which is the same size as the 1-pound spool that came with it. One of the things that I questioned is it said it had I've read and I've seen and I've watched it has a 1-pound capacity, but Harbor Freight doesn't have 1-pound spools, at least not in flux cores. So I bought a 2-pound spool. Looks like it should fit. The Auto-Darkening welding helmet. Okay, step 1, install the wire spool. Oh no. Lesson 1. Hold on to the spool. That's oops. Whoa. What a tragedy. Okay. Looks like you can see that. Anyway, that's what it looks like. Hold wire securely. It says it right there. Well, folks, I hope you don't mind tuning in for amateur hour. I have done something. Okay, step 2. Take off the nozzle and tip. Plug welder in. Turn it on. And the tip. Just the tip. So they give you a chart here to tell you good or bad. Of course, inside here they give you your setups. Cool. Well, I was outside of the wire fiasco, relatively painless. I wonder how I lose stuff when I haven't gone anywhere. It's because I do things like put it away. Magnets for a multitude of angles. Yeah, I knew that. And premium welding gloves were $6. So, I don't know how premium, but for $6, you can't go wrong. They are one size fits all. I have usually wear an extra large glove, and these fit great. So. There's some stuff in here. I think that's it. I got a battery, I got a couple covers. Just in case you were wondering, you pay for what you get. This was pretty inexpensive, and it's, I wouldn't call it cheap plastic, but I'm not exactly going to call it high grade. But you know what? It fits my dome. Oh, oh, oh. Warning, please remove film before using. I'm gonna go with that's the deal. And here's the protector deal. Hey, would you look at that? Unlock. Oh. The whole shooting match comes out. Suggested shade comfort number 11. So simple, even a fireman can figure it out. Looks like there are 3 outside lenses, which is good because I'm sure I'm going to mess at least one of them up. I don't know, or all of them, none of them. I don't have high hopes. Yeah. Well, it's pretty slick. So that goes in there. That goes in there. That locks. And I can kind of see what I'm doing. Well, sweet. Now I just have to go find some metal to try and stitch together. That'll be fun. I'm sure I've got some scrap crap sitting around somewhere. I'll be back.